To cancel a test order in Shopify, you first need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard using a desktop computer or your mobile browser, because this action cannot be completed directly through the Shopify mobile app. Once you are logged in, click on the Orders tab located in the left-hand sidebar. Your test order will appear in the order list just like a real order would, but do not worry about being charged any transaction fees if you are on the Shopify Payments test mode, because test transactions simulate the checkout without moving real money. Immediately after locating your test order, click on the order number to open the full order details page. At the very top of this page, you will see a prominent More Actions button. Click that button to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, you simply need to select the Cancel Order option. This action will immediately change the order status and trigger the inventory to restock for any products included in the test, so you do not need to manually adjust stock levels afterward. However, there is a specific scenario you must watch out for regarding the payment status. If you use Shopify's Real Bogus Gateway or put a real payment provider in test mode, Shopify may show a pending transaction for your test card. Because the money was never truly captured but only authorized, you must manually void that authorization to avoid a frozen hold on your bank statement. After canceling the order, look at the Payment section of the canceled order and click the Void Authorization link, then confirm the void to release the hold completely. After you have successfully canceled the order and voided the authorization, you will want to clean up your dashboard so the test data does not interfere with your analytics or order numbers. Shopify often offers a direct Delete Order button for test orders right below the order details, which is an option you do not get for real orders. Click that Delete button and confirm the deletion. This permanently removes the test order from your reports, leaving your sales channels completely clean and ready for your first real customer.